the light bulb that's been on for 120 years, and what it reveals about plant obsolescence. In Livermore, California, there is a light bulb that's been shining since 1901. It's called the Centennial Light, and it's been glowing for over 120 years in fire station number 6. It has become a global symbol in the debate over plant obsolescence. The industrial practice of designing products to break or wear out quickly so that people are forced to replace them. This bulb wasn't built for replacement. It was made with the carbon filament and the hand-blown glass at a time when durability was a priority. In the 1920s, however, the world's biggest light bulb manufacturer secretly formed the Phoebus cartel. Their goal? To reduce average bulb lifespan to just 1,000 hours, far less than what was technically possible. Companies like General Electric, Osram and Philips agreed that shorter life meant more sales. That mindset never really disappeared. Today, many products from smartphones to printers and appliances seems to break down faster, are difficult to repair, or become unusable to software updates. A study by Germany Oko Institute found that the average lifespan of home appliance has dropped by around 30% in the past 2 decades. Washing machines used to last 15 years, now they barely make it to 7. TVs often fail before their 5th birthday. Some countries are fighting back. In 2015, France made plant obsolescence a criminal offense. In 2020, Apple faced legal action for slowing down older phones. The company admitted doing it to protect batteries, but paid fines and settlement across the US and Europe. The Centennial Light still shines today. It needs no updates, no apps, no replacement. And it reminds us that things can be built to last, but often they aren't. What we can do? Demand transparency about product lifespan and spare parts. Support companies that design for repairability. Back right to repair laws in our countries or states, and change habits. Repair, reuse, maintain. The Livermore bulb isn't just a piece of history. It's a warning and a guide.